Hi, I'm Mike Shook with Graffiti Shield, and I want to do a step-by-step process on how to install our 6mm glass shield on this e-ink display. There's a couple of differences with this one, and I just want to walk through each step to show you how to properly install it. First thing is, the glass itself has what appears to be like an anti-reflective coating that is almost rough in nature. So to clean it, I want to use just a straight nylon sponge and really scrub hard on every square inch. You can also see that I just put a roll of tape. You just need something to lift this up so that water is going to drain and not pool in there. So after you've scrubbed it and it's smooth to the touch, I don't feel any debris that's baked on there. I'm just going to go ahead and squeegee it several times. And part of the process, I want to use a paper towel and just wipe those edges. There seems to be a little bit of silicone, and that's sometimes easy to have that break into little particles, and you really want to try to get that away from the glass. So just do it an extra time to make sure we get this as clean as possible. Do one more quick wipe. And you're going to want to try to do this whole process as efficiently and quickly as you can. Now I'm going to go ahead and peel the liner. That's going to expose the adhesive, but you're going to notice that I'm holding the back side of the film and I'm not touching the adhesive at all. I'm using water with just a few drops of our Film-On solution, which gives it just enough slip. I'm going to wet both surfaces and just carefully place the adhesive side onto the glass, center it, and now it's ready to be squeegeed. Now I'm going to just spray a little bit of the solution on the outside, which is going to help the squeegee slide. I'm going to use our 6-inch Blue Max squeegee, and I'm going to do several passes. First, I want to divide it in half, so I'm going to just go that upper 1 inch, and then right down the middle, just to keep things sliding. I'll add a little moisture to it. I'm going to hold the bottom of this, and you can really see how hard I'm pressing. Overlapping motions so that there's no spots that have been missed. And we always do this at least twice. You want to get as much of that solution from under the film out as you can, because the last little bit will dry on its own. Usually takes a day or two, depending on the climate. Now to finish it off, we take one of our hard cards, and I'm just going to wrap it into a paper towel, which will help extract moisture. And I'm just going to go around the edges. This will seal those corners. Get any moisture that's just sitting right on that edge. Now she's ready for a quick wipe down. And as you can see, there's no bubbles, no moisture. And very undetectable, ready for protection. Thank you for watching.